Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight I'm going to do something I don't think I've ever done. I'm not actually going to cook outside. I'm not really going to cook inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a meal out of leftovers, and I think you might like it. So the other day I made some smoked cheeseburgers. I just happen to have, a couple of leftover cheeseburgers. We're going to heat up that cheeseburger. And as you know, if you read the title, this is a cheeseburger and fries bowl. Yeah, cheeseburger and fries bowl. I happen to have these bowls here that they're bigger than your average. They're 8 inches. You can use smaller bowls. These patties are pretty big, so I'm going to need a big bowl. One of my favorite fries to get from the store, the frozen fries, is Ore-Ida extra crispy fast food fries. We're going to air fry these. And, I thought I had a tomato. I went to get it. It was moldy. So I've got to improvise, right? I don't have a tomato, but I do have some fire roasted diced tomatoes in a can. So we're going to use that, right? Going to use lettuce. I don't have a head of cabbage, a head of lettuce either, but I've got a bag of romaine. So check this out. We're going to improvise. There's my cheese. Got a little cheese blend. First thing I got to do is get the fries air fried, and I got to get that burger heated back up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that in the air fryer. I'll show you right now, and then we'll put the build on. Okay, so before I get too far ahead of myself, I'm going to wrap this burger up and we're going to heat it up. But this doesn't actually have to be a leftover cheeseburger and fries bowl. You can purposely smoke your hamburgers like I did. I've got these smoked Wagyu hamburger and Italian hot sausage and hatch green chilies all mixed together, and I'm laying some Gouda cheese on top. And you can just cook these burgers fresh and make these on purpose. And these are awesome for people that are gluten-free. You don't need a bun. You're going to be using the fries, right? So anyway, let's get this wrapped up, get the fries going, and get the build on. All right, since I have this dual layer air fryer, I'm going to put a good handful of fries in here. And let's do a couple of handfuls of fries in there. We're going to do the fries on the top, and hopefully on the bottom I can get my burger patty in there. I think it'll fit. If the cheese gets too weird or whatever, I can always toss another piece on if I need to. Anyway, so I am going to set this upper temp to 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Okay, and then the lower, let's see. I think I'm going to set the temp for 350. 350 for time. I think we're only going to need to go about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to sync. Oh, okay, then start. All right, so this is, the bottom's on hold for 3 minutes. Once that counts down to 5, the bottom will kick on. They'll be done at the same time, and we'll build our cheeseburger and fries bowl. All right, so while the fries are going, I'm gonna cut up a little bit of onion here. Let's see, maybe 2 little slices there, and take that outside paper off. It's not paper, you know what I mean. Okay, I'm gonna dice this up. You can have them as big or small diced as you like your onions, because burger, what do you gotta have? Lettuce, tomato, onions, and I forgot to mention that I'm also gonna be putting in some dill pickles, and I'm gonna dice up or chop up some dill pickles. You can do as many or as little as you like. I like a lot of dill pickle, so I'm just going to cut them up. Okay, doesn't have to be precise. And then for my lettuce, just gonna pick out the leaves. Now it doesn't really matter if you have the cabbage in there. What I like to do is stack it up. And then just take your knife and cut it. And there you go. You got some shredded lettuce for your burger. That easy. All right, you might have seen me do this before. You can use just ketchup, just mustard, just mayonnaise, whatever you like on your burger. I like a burger sauce because it's also kind of a fry sauce. So you want to go in with the mayonnaise, squirt of ketchup, squirt of mustard, a little less mustard than ketchup, and some dill pickle relish. A blob of that. And there you go. Burger sauce, fry sauce, whatever. Okay, 2, 1. And there we go. There's our fries. And we got our burger down here. There we go. All right, let's get this going. All right, let's get our fries in the bowl. Smooth them out just a little bit. All right, we're going to go on with some of our shredded cheese. First, while it's hot, hopefully that'll help it melt. All right, there's our reheated burger patty. You know, you can make them fresh. Now I'm going to go down with the burger sauce slash French fry sauce. Then I'm going to go with my tomato, aka fire roasted from a can. I can't believe I thought I had a tomato and it was too far gone. So you want your tomato, your onion, your dill pickles, just like a burger. And what do? You top it off with your shredded lettuce. Just like that. What do you think of that? Okay, there you go. That's a cheeseburger and fry bowl right there. You know, hey, somebody gluten-free, this is perfect alternative for their hamburger. They get their hamburger and fries. They don't feel weird because they're, you know, holding their burger in lettuce. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to get some of this burger off of here. Burger and a fry, cheesy fries, fire roasted tomatoes. All right. I don't know. We got most of it. All right, here we go. I got to tell you, that tastes fantastic. Eating a burger with a fork, but you're getting your burger, your fries, lettuce, tomato, and onion. What more do you want, right? So good. All right. Like I said, you can do this with leftover burgers, or you can make burgers to specifically make this. It is outstanding. Give this a try. I think everybody that tries it's going to love it. I think you would love it. And I hope you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.